Welcome back to the channel, folks. I'm Jen with Slingmods.com, and today we are happy to announce that the wind restrictor for the Polaris Slingshot is now compatible with the tubular style roll bars found on the newer Slingshot models. If you're unfamiliar with what the wind restrictor is, allow me to walk you through some of its key features and benefits. First and foremost, the wind restrictor greatly reduces turbulent airflow from entering into the cabin from the rear of the Slingshot. Now, this makes for a much more enjoyable driving experience for both you and your passenger. It's constructed from a blended acrylic with a special coating that's guaranteed not to fade, yellow, peel, or crack, and is backed with a manufacturer's lifetime warranty. It comes with a no-drill bracket system that clamps around your roll bars for a hassle-free installation, and simply connects to a fused 12-volt power supply, such as an aftermarket fuse block, or a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug like this. One of the standout features of the wind restrictor is the variety of options you have when it comes to etching. You can go clear with no etching, or you can select from a variety of pre-designed graphic options shown here. But the Slingshot community is all about customizing, so you also have the option of submitting your own custom artwork to us at the time of purchase, and a representative will contact you to bring your vision to reality with a truly one-of-a-kind look. Our favorite part about the wind restrictor is that it illuminates, bringing your artwork to life. If you want a single color illumination, you can select from red, white, or blue, and you can add an optional remote to control the brightness. If you want to take things up a notch, you can select the multicolor option and adjust it to any color you'd like by simply moving your finger around the color wheel on the remote. This option allows you to adjust brightness or have the lights automatically cycle through different colors. Regardless of which option you select, the wind restrictor illumination will increase your likeliness of being seen by other motorists while out on the open road, and will absolutely turn heads at the next bike night. If you'd like to see a wind restrictor on your Slingshot, head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for yourself. Feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on three wheels. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.